up, you guys? I am like starting this right after finished filming the week 1 vlog. I was just like too eager. I had to jump on here and just chat with you guys a little bit. So today is Sunday. It is about 3 p.m. Oh, it's 4 p.m. Sorry. And I am currently uploading the week 1 vlog, which I'm really excited to share with you guys. I hope you enjoy it. I'm definitely learning how to vlog. This is all new for me, so it's gonna be interesting. And basically just the rest of the day, I'm just going to chill. Hopefully I can upload this really fast this week. I've had really bad internet issues, but fingers crossed, praying that it uploads really fast and I can get that out to you guys. This week is gonna be really interesting because my mom works out of school and my brother is still in school. He is special needs, so he will hopefully stay in school till he's 22. But this week the schools are starting virtually on August 5th, so it's going to be really fascinating to see how it all plays out, and I'm really hoping that schools will open back up because I feel like students really need to get back to school, especially my brother being special needs. He really needs that interaction, like face to face with his teachers. So just lifting up my prayers to everybody starting school, or if you're working at a school, and also parents. Like, I know it's been hard these past couple of months kind of homeschooling your kids, and just everyone's life was completely flipped upside down. So I'm just taking it one day at a time. I hope you are too. And if you ever need to chat, my door is always open. You can always message me. So anytime you have to relax and just recoup, take it. I'm probably going to watch a show on Netflix right now and probably make a coffee because I'm feeling a little tired. So I think I'm going to make a whipped coffee. That sounds good. So I'll vlog a little bit of that too. Hello, my sweet boy. Hello. You're so cute. Just the sweetest little nummy. For whipped coffee, I use the One of the Perks instant coffee. And whenever you make a whipped coffee, you want to go by the 2-2-2 rule. So 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, I use organic, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. So I usually microwave a little bit of it and then pour that in there and then whisk it all together. You can whisk it by hand or you can use a mixer. Mixing it will make it much fluffier, but I like it to mix really well with the milk or else it's like too strong. But I usually make like a whipped caramel macchiato, so I use syrup from Starbucks to put in there before the milk, and then I also put some of this caramel sauce from Torani on top. And then I'll just stir it all together and add some ice, and it is so yummy. I love making this drink whenever I need a little pick-me-up. So cute. Such a cute baby. I just finished my nighttime skincare routine. I'm going to be sharing like my night routine later in the vlog this week, kind of like my skincare, what I do just to get ready for bed and stuff, because I do my devotions at night as well. Just sharing like how I unwind, and right now I am just sitting on my bed waiting for the first week vlog to upload. It has like an hour left, and I am not a night owl. I have such a hard time staying up, and it's only like 9 o'clock, but I am so ready for bed. But just pushing through and sitting here with Remy boy, just trying to relax and stay up. So hopefully this week is more eventful than the previous week, and I hope I can get this video up and that you guys enjoy it. So good night, lovelies. Hello, good morning, you guys. It is Monday morning and I am getting ready to film a tutorial for Glamnetic lashes, and I'm about to show you my setup as well. A lot of you guys messaged me asking me kind of like what my film setup looks like, how I edit, so I'll be doing a video on that shortly, but I'm just going to do a quick overview of how I set up right now. And I'm loving this ponytail today, super fun and sassy, and I'm having a smoothie bowl for lunch, which I'm really excited about. Does anyone else get really excited about food? It's probably just me, but so I'll show you guys what I put in there as well. Just staying busy. I'm going to be hopefully filming a lot this week and getting all that content out to you guys very soon. So super excited for this week. It's going to be interesting. So whenever I am filming, I tack my fabric backdrop to my closet, and then I use a newer 18-inch ring light that I got from Amazon, and I'll be attaching a link to the exact model down in the description box. And then I use a Canon Rebel T5 camera for filming and my photos as well, and I set it up vertically since I'm doing a story video. And I usually sit in a more comfortable chair, but since this is going to be just super quick, I just brought a stool in from the kitchen, and then I just set my fabric up. And you can get fabric at like a fabric store or even Walmart, so I just tack it to the wall here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's super simple. Now I'm going to make my smoothie bowl for lunch, so I'm going to use a frozen banana, some organic protein powder, and some PB Fit, which tastes just like peanut butter. It just doesn't have as much fat and calories in it. Then I put a tiny bit of cocoa powder and some yogurt, and I blend that all together and put some granola and fresh fruit on top with some melted peanut butter, and it's delicious. Did not even make my bed yet, but hello, honey. Hello. Cutie patootie. Okay, I just got done filming, and this is the look that I did today. Very sparkly. Used Glamnetic lashes in the style Vibe, and for eyeshadow I used the Maddie Ziegler and Morphe collab palette that just came out, the Imagination, I think that's what it's called, palette, and the glittery eye quad from Pixie in rose gold. So I used that lavender sparkly shade on the lid. So I have been like loving pastels, and I've been wearing color all the time. I just love the way it looks. I am currently at my computer editing the tutorials that I filmed today, and I also filmed a review video to post on Amazon for a brand. And I'm going to be ordering some Halloween stuff, which I'm so excited about. I have so many great looks that I want to do this year, and a lot of like new stuff I want to try, so I'm so excited. And I found out that there's something happening in October, which I don't even know if I'm allowed to share what's going on, but I have to like pre-film everything, so starting to get all of that ready for this Halloween season. And I'm going to make dinner for my family tonight. I'm going to make my famous chicken pot pie. So good. I love it so much. Maybe I'll share the recipe with you guys, but I have to, like, whenever I'm doing a big meal, I like to stay really focused, and it kind of takes a couple hours to make, so I'm not going to film any of the process, but maybe I'll share like what it looks like when it's done or something. But that's pretty much what I have for the rest of the day. Just pretty chill, getting stuff done. So productive Monday. I'm going to share the chicken pot pie recipe another time, but I just got a couple shots of like mixing the filling with the chicken and then the crust, and I love this recipe. Just comfort food is so amazing. Good morning, you guys. Happy Tuesday. I'm about to film my go-to everyday makeup look for you guys for my channel and also for Instagram. But this Pixie PR package just got delivered, so I'm going to do a little unboxing for you guys. Okay, so this package is absolutely adorable. I'm not sure if this is a new collection, but I think it's their Pixie on the Glow stuff. So it has this cute little like card you can fill out sharing your glowing secrets using Pixie products. It came with this adorable bag that I'll open up in a second, and there are 2 eyeshadow sticks, a mascara, it looks like a lip gloss, and also this beautiful neutrals palette. So super excited to try these things out. Okay, this bag is so cute. It's got like the classic pixie green and light pink. Just a cute little like beachy canvas tote. Super cute. I also just put on some new like glue-on acrylic nails this morning. The last time I wore these hot pink ones, I got so many questions. So I am wearing the Kiss nails. This is the Salon Color in Vivid. So this is probably one of my favorite styles from them. Hello, good morning, you guys. Happy Wednesday. I just washed my hair. Actually, it's pretty dry now, but got some mermaid hair going on. I love like whenever I get new extensions to just see like the natural curler like wave of them. I don't know. That always just makes me happy when they're naturally wavy, so I don't have to like style them as much. But today is my brother Trent's first day of distance learning, and he's special needs, so they're doing like a lot of Zoom meetings today, which is going to be interesting, and it's going to be really busy. My mom is going back to work tomorrow, so I'll be home with Trent and like doing his like virtual learning with him, so it's going to be really interesting to see like how this all pans out, and like how teachers are going to be creative to like cater to special needs kids, because like with the IEPs and everything, it's different. It's a challenge, but God is going to get us all through it, and hopefully praying that schools will reopen on the 17th so that kids can go back in person. So today I'm just responding to some more emails and editing the video that I filmed yesterday. So pretty busy day. Good morning, you guys. Happy Friday. I have not filmed very much over the past couple of days. It has been crazy trying to make a schedule and stick to everything and get everything done on the to-do list. It's been insane just trying to find balance and everything that's going on with my brother like starting school today. He has another Zoom meeting with his teachers, so it is a new time for everybody. Today on the docket is rearranging the furniture in my room again, and I laugh because I do this about once a month, and I'm sure it drives my family insane that I do this so often, but you can only do so much with the space, and I try to get as creative as possible. But like how it's set up now, and like over the past week, I have gotten so many packages and like opportunities to partner with brands, which is so amazing. I am so grateful for God opening up doors and just bringing so many new opportunities. It's crazy, and I'm just so blessed, but I'm running out of space. So I'm trying to rearrange stuff, trying to figure out what works best for everything that goes on in here, like doing makeup, filming, and editing, and of course sleeping and puppy snuggles. And I am finally, filming on my phone, and it doesn't like rotate as I'm filming. But anyway, as I was saying, this looks so dirty in this lighting. It's all that powder and stuff, it flies everywhere and makes a mess. Anyway, so I'm finally updating kind of like my desk situation. So I'm not getting like specifically Alex drawers, but kind of like that same style to put all of my makeup in, because this was just kind of like a Goodwill purchase, and I like spray painted it myself, and I have tried to update it, but it's just not working anymore. It's so full, and like where I keep some eyeshadow palettes in here. Hello. But then like the rest is in here, and this drawer is filling up too, and then I have like a box of PR that I haven't even been able to sort through and get in the drawers. So updating that, and now I'm trying to figure out where everything's going to go so that I have like my makeup space and kind of like my film area. I'm thinking over here, and then I don't know. But I have fun. I love decorating so much, so it's a fun new project for me every time. Also, the everyday makeup tutorial is still uploading. I've been uploading it for the past 3 days and it's only at 20%. I've had such horrible internet, but what are you gonna do? Okay, so this is the room situation, how I set it up. I am still going through everything on my desk and my poor tree is dying. I was so sad because a couple weeks ago, like the leaves started to like really fall and like split in the middle and now they're like turning yellow. It makes me so sad. It has been a really long day, so I'm going to do a face mask. I'm going to try this one from Keep Cool. I've loved every product that I've tried for them, like serums and other masks. So this is a calming mask. I have a little breakout going on, so I'm hoping this will replenish some nutrients and hydration. What's up, you guys? Happy Sunday. We just got back from church service. And today is going to be pretty chill. I feel like this whole week it's just been chill, just hanging out and stuff. But later on today, I'm going to help my dad film a video. Our church sends out these like Wednesday, like days of encouragement, stuff like that. So for this coming week, my dad is doing his on Wednesday. So we are going to film that and then send it in. And then I'm also still working on Halloween stuff today. It's weird, like in the past, ever since being like on Instagram and stuff and kind of having a social media presence, obviously Halloween is like a really big time of the year for makeup artists, but like I have not like spent so much time planning and like cultivating different looks and stuff. So this year's, I'm so excited, you guys. Like I cannot even begin to express how excited I am. And I want to share so much already, but obviously it's not time yet. But I'm still gathering different things for costumes and different like supplies for the look. So I'm going to be working on like some mood boards and like some face charts today. So maybe I'll do some sneak peeks. But I'm really looking forward to it and I'm really excited to share the looks with you guys. So today's just hanging out again, getting stuff done. So it's been a good week and a good vlog, I think. Not super eventful, but I have a lot of fun filming these vlogs for you guys. So thanks for watching.